Now, once you have Kibana downloaded and extracted on your machine, we need to configure it and point it to Elasticsearch. Okay, because we want Kibana to use Elasticsearch as the data source. So let's bring the terminal and go to Kibana directory, and under config you will see a file called kibana.yml. So first take a backup of this file and name it something like underscore orig for original file, and then open this file for modifications. Okay, now first thing you need to change is the port, and it is 5601. This is the port where Kibana will be running. Host should be your local host, and for Elasticsearch URL, make sure it is pointing to your Elasticsearch cluster. Okay, that's all you need for now. Just save it and exit. Okay, next we need to update our bash rc or bash profile file so that we can invoke Kibana server without specifying the entire path. And like we did in previous exercises, you can do it directly in your bash profile or bash rc file like this. So you need to create a variable for Kibana home, and it should point to your installation. And also you need to update your path variable to include the bin directory under your Kibana home. Okay, once you have that, just source your file. Okay, and then you can echo and check if your variable is created or not. All right, so we are good there. In next class I'll show you how to start the server and start using Kibana.